Top 10 Gadgets for Summer 2023. Hey there! Are you ready to take your summer to the next level? Well, you're in for a treat because today, we're counting down the top 10 mind-blowing gadgets that will make your summer 2023 an unforgettable adventure. Yaeber Pico T1 Mini. Get ready for an epic summer with the Yaeber Pico T1 Mini, the compact projector. With its sleek design and 110 ANSI lumens, this portable powerhouse turns any wall into a mesmerizing 540p cinematic wonderland. From movie nights under the stars to impromptu gaming sessions, the Pico T1 is your go-to summer entertainment solution. And the best part? No cords holding you back. With the included battery pack, you can take the Pico T1 anywhere your adventures lead you. Connect effortlessly via mini HDMI or USB Type-C, or mirror your smartphone, tablet, or computer for seamless wireless projection. Enhance the experience with the Bluetooth capability, connecting to an external speaker for an immersive audio experience. Turtlebox Gen 2 Portable. Dive into a world of music this summer with the Turtlebox Gen 2 portable speaker. Its fully waterproof and dustproof design makes it capable of withstanding depths of 1 meter for 30 minutes. Also, with an impressive 25+ hours of music at easy listening volume, 6+ hours at max volume, this speaker keeps the party going. Its fiberglass speaker cone, rubber surround, and high-efficiency driver ensure crystal clear audio, complemented by a 1-inch titanium tweeter for a touch of brilliance. The innovative brick pattern design not only enhances strength, but also delivers a powerful sound wave. Urbanister Phoenix. Enjoy Urbanister Phoenix, the game changer in wireless audio technology. Powered by the Powerfoil solar cell material, the sleek charging case becomes an energy powerhouse, constantly recharging under any light source, indoors or outdoors. Embrace the joy of unlimited playtime, as Phoenix offers an incredible 32 hours of non-stop musical bliss. Immerse yourself in your favorite playlist and podcast, untethered from cords and charging cables. With its feather-light design, these earphones sit effortlessly in your ears, allowing you to enjoy your audio with minimal distractions. PivoPod Lite. Take your summer adventures to the next level with PivoPod Lite. This incredible gadget ensures that every moment is captured with excitement and flair. Whether you're hiking in the mountains, dancing at a music festival, or splashing in the ocean, PivoPod Lite guarantees that you'll always be the star of the show. With its 360 auto-tracking feature, PivoPod Lite effortlessly follows your movements, making sure you're never out of frame. Say goodbye to awkward selfies and hello to stunning hands-free photos with the Smart Capture mode. Setting up this device is a breeze, allowing you to start creating incredible content in just minutes. Oculus Quest 2 VR Headset. This revolutionary device brings advanced all-in-one VR gaming right to your fingertips, providing an immersive experience like none other. With just the headset and controllers, you can dive into a world of virtual reality wonders. Imagine exploring distant galaxies, battling fierce creatures, or creating masterpieces in virtual art studios. The Quest 2's 6 degrees of freedom tracking ensures precise movement translation, while the redesigned touch controllers offer improved ergonomics for enhanced gameplay. Lightweight and comfortable, this headset can be easily adjusted for anyone. So gear up, dive in, and make your summer extraordinary with the Oculus Quest 2. Tube Runner Motorized Water Tube by Pool Candy. Experience summer like never before with the Tube Runner Motorized Water Tube by Pool Candy. This amazing pool accessory takes relaxation and fun to the next level. With its powerful 3-blade propeller and 360 degrees of control, you'll effortlessly glide through the water, whether it's in a pool, lake, or river. Bump and race with friends or simply unwind while enjoying the cool water. Safety is a top priority with the enclosed propeller and protective grille, ensuring worry-free enjoyment. Powered by 6D batteries, the Tube Runner guarantees endless hours of excitement for everyone. Big Blue 28-watt USB solar charger. Introducing the Big Blue 28-watt USB solar charger. the ultimate companion for a thrilling summer adventure. Packed with power and innovation, this solar charger ensures your devices stay juiced up while you soak up the sun. Its 3 USB ports, each delivering an impressive 5 volts/2.4 amps, allow you to charge multiple gadgets simultaneously. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or lounging on the beach, this compact and lightweight charger fits perfectly into your backpack. With its high energy conversion rate of up to 24%, it harnesses the sun's rays efficiently. Rain or shine, the water and dust-resistant design keeps your charger safe. EcoFlow Glacier Portable Refrigerator. The EcoFlow Glacier Portable Refrigerator is the ultimate summer companion, offering convenience, innovation, and endless enjoyment. With its integrated ice maker, it can create 18 ice cubes in just 12 minutes using a 120-watt compressor. Powered by a plug-in battery, this fridge can run for an impressive 40 hours. Also, its 38-liter capacity and dual-zone functionality allows it to store up to 60 cans of your favorite drinks while maintaining the perfect chill from 10 degrees Celsius to -25 degrees Celsius. Worried about battery life? The Glacier features energy-saving options, and the smart EcoFlow app allows easy control of the temperature settings, performance monitoring, and remaining working time via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Key-Nice 2-in-1 Smart Car Cup. This innovative gadget brings a whole new level of excitement to your adventures. Picture this. As you embark on a thrilling road trip, your drink stays refreshingly chilled at a delightful 1 degree Celsius, offering a rejuvenating sip whenever you need it. Need a warm pick-me-up on a cool evening? Simply switch to the heating mode and enjoy your favorite beverage at a toasty 60 degrees Celsius. Crafted with a sleek design and environmentally friendly materials, this cup holder fits seamlessly into any car. Wherever your journey takes you, Key-Nice 2-in-1 Smart Car Cup promises icy cool refreshment and comforting warmth. The Janino T1 Underwater Drone. Dive into the abyss with the Janino T1 Underwater Drone, your ultimate summer companion. Explore depths of up to 150 meters, surpassing human limits. Capture stunning 4K footage with Sony's advanced camera and precise stabilization, perfect for aspiring filmmakers. Illuminate even murky waters with 3,000 lumen LED lights, delivering vibrant visuals. Also, you can control the drone effortlessly using the Janino app or Bluetooth handle, immersing yourself in a gaming-like experience. And what about your memories? No worries. Janino T1 Underwater Drone preserves your marine memories on the built-in 32GB storage card, ready to be shared on social media.